Do you wish you could quit teaching and start working from home so you could spend more time with your babies? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your teaching income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey mama, welcome to Ditch the Classroom. I know you're over there Googling jobs for teachers, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step toward quitting teaching. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to make quick money. Virtual assistance is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name's Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Sister, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step out of teaching. Are you ready? Here we go. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Quick Tip Thursday. Today's question I'm super excited to answer. And the question is, should I start working as a virtual assistant on my own? And what are some of the benefits to investing in a virtual assistant training program? You guys, I want you to know that the good news is that you don't have to take a training or course to get started as a virtual assistant. You can absolutely start your virtual assistant business with help from free virtual assistant resources like this podcast or my blog. You can totally try to figure out the rest on your own with trial and error, but you are likely to make a lot of mistakes along the way that will end up costing you time and money. So taking a virtual assistant course helps you avoid those mistakes and start your business the right way so it can be profitable from the start. Also, with a virtual assistant training program, you're likely to see success much sooner. Many people who take virtual assistant courses are able to earn more than the cost of the program in just 1 or 2 months. So I just kind of want to break down for y'all today 5 reasons that a virtual assistant program will help you start working from home faster. So number 1, right off the bat, you're going to learn from other virtual assistants. You're going to get to learn from other women's experiences as VAs. So this is one of the main reasons to consider taking a virtual assistant training. Sure, you can go out there and learn on your own, but you also have to deal with making rookie mistakes with your new virtual assistant business. For instance, some of the big mistakes that I see are not knowing how to find clients or pitch clients properly, having a bad contract that doesn't protect you, and actually the biggest mistake I see from new virtual assistants is selling yourself short and undercharging for your work. Virtual assistant training programs are worth their weight in gold because you can cut through the red tape and learn what works and doesn't work without making all the messy mistakes. Okay, the second reason a virtual assistant program is going to help you become a virtual assistant and replace your income faster is because it gives you a complete game plan so you know exactly what to do step by step. When you take a virtual assistant training program, you get a complete roadmap that will help you start your business with ease. No questions, just a step-by-step system to follow. Okay, so it makes it really easy for you and it just breaks it down into bite-sized tangible pieces for you to go and implement. And then the third reason is that you get a mentor to ask all of your questions. And this mentor is someone who understands what you do and why you're doing it. So when you enroll in a virtual assistant training program, you're also choosing a mentor to help guide you through the process of becoming a successful virtual assistant. It's crucial that you feel like you relate to the coach you choose and that they understand what you're going through because they're going to be the ones helping you actually do it. A virtual assistant coach should do more than just help you find potential clients. The right virtual assistant business coach is someone who inspires you and motivates you. Okay, so this is so important. You got to find someone that speaks to you and that understands exactly what you're going through. The fourth reason virtual assistant training programs are worth their weight in gold is that they help you avoid scam clients. A lot of these programs will help you find clients who treat you well and respect you for all of the help that you provide for their business. And they should help you identify which potential jobs are just scams, what some red flags are in potential clients, and how to set boundaries around your virtual assistant business so that you're not stuck working 24/7. Y'all, if you're here listening to this podcast, it's most likely because you want to get out of the classroom, quit teaching. I don't want you to create a virtual assistant business that you're stuck to 24/7. I want your virtual assistant career to work around your life instead of your life working around your career. Okay? So I want you to understand that these courses, these programs will help you set those boundaries around your business so that you can live the life you want to live. And then the fifth reason that virtual assistant training programs are an amazing resource is because making an investment in yourself will change your life. Once you put some money on the line for a goal or a dream, you are a lot more likely to follow through with it because you don't want to waste your investment. So I just want you to ask yourself, what better investment can you make than one that could build a sustainable career and change your entire life forever? Many students who choose to invest in a virtual assistant program can make back the cost of the course, like I said, in just a month or two. Of course, this depends on how much you work on your business, but you guys, the income potential is only limited by you and what you pour into this. You can take this as far as you want to go. So I just want you to understand that yes, you can become a virtual assistant on your own, but these programs are just going to help you do that so much faster and so much easier so you don't give up when you get stuck. So again, let me just recap these 5 reasons that a virtual assistant program is the best route to go. Number 1, you're going to learn from other virtual assistants. Number 2, you're going to get a complete game plan so you know exactly what to do. Number 3, you get a mentor to ask all of your questions and who understands exactly why you want to do this. Number 4, you're going to figure out how to avoid scam clients and set boundaries around your business. And then number 5 is that just making an investment in yourself will change your life. Okay, so if you're ready, I invite you to join us in the Teacher Turned Freelancer Academy. This program is every single thing you need to become a successful virtual assistant. It's going to allow you to replace your teaching income so much faster. It's going to allow you to start working from home with your babies, have them crawling on the floor next to you while you're busting out a little bit of work, and then once that's done, you get to go and pour into your kids as much as you want to. This is so incredibly possible for you, and I just want you to know that. So come join us, see everything that's included in the Teacher Turned Freelancer Academy. You're going to get the accountability, the support, the quick tutorial videos, contract templates, job application templates. Everything you need is in this program. So go check it all out and get registered at teacherturnedfreelancer.com. Again, that's teacherturnedfreelancer.com, or you can find the link in the show notes. I cannot wait to see you there. And also, if you have a Quick Tip Thursday question that you would like for me to answer, come and join our free Facebook community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. And in there, you can scroll to the Quick Tip Thursday post, drop your question, and I would be so happy to answer it for you here on the show. All right, y'all, I love you so much. I cannot wait to see you in TTFA. Just a heads up, our cart closes tomorrow, so make sure you get in ASAP. I love y'all so much, and we will see you next time.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'd love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@ditchtheclassroom.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my Ditch the Classroom toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you too can ditch the classroom.